just if you don't really want somebody, oh somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? I work every day of my life. I work till I get my bones. At the end of the day, I take home my holiday. Oh, somebody knows I go down on my knees and I start to pray till the tears run down from my eyes. Lord, somebody, oh somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Every day I try and I try and I try, but everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. I got no common sense. I got nobody left to believe. Oh, somebody, anybody find me somebody to love? Got no feel, I got no rhythm. I just keep losing my feet. I'm okay, I'm alright. I ain't gonna face nothing. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. One day I'm gonna be free,
Somebody to love, find me somebody to love, find me somebody to love, find me somebody to
find me somebody to love.
somebody to love.
Can anybody find me somebody to love? Somebody find me. Somebody find me. Somebody to love. 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 Find me somebody to
Wow, well done, Emily.
Thank you.
Anya, what do you think of Emily's performance?
Whoa. I mean, wow. I was like, oh, nice voice. I was like, very powerful. I was like, nice head voice. And I said, you've got a lot of talent. And then you hit that long note there, and I was like, whoa. I think you could put your voice to anything, to be honest. Like, that note then, I'm a bit shocked. That was out of this world. I mean, the breath control as well, because that was long. And then going up and up and up. I think you shocked a lot of people in this room. Wow, phenomenal. Well done. Thank you.
Kelly?
And I think that song showed a lot of what you can do vocally. Your voice is so smooth, and by that I mean it just flows so easily from like one part of the song to the next. Your control is amazing, and like Anya, I can hear you taking on so many different genres and so many different styles and making them your own. Your chest voice is so impressive. Your belt is just wow, and that note at the end and the way you slid. I've been waiting all night for somebody in my category, and I am so happy you've arrived. It's fantastic. Well done.
Thank you.
Emily, that was very impressive. Like you said, like outside, I sing this in karaoke. That was so much better than any karaoke I've ever been to. Like that control, I think it was that middle section that did it, when the music broke down and the way you controlled your voice and you kept that ad-lib going and kept it moving like that. I think everyone was like, whoa, okay, she's taking it somewhere else. That was fantastic. What I would say, like I can see in you, even by just the other choice that I was looking at, that you've got something really unique and interesting in what you can do vocally. I think this just showed us kind of something you was comfortable with, like you said, but powerful. But there is so much more in your voice that we ain't heard yet, and I can see that you do lots of different styles. Because going from Somebody to Love by Queen to the other song, The Kill, that was a massive difference. Like I was like, whoa, okay, she's here, and then she's there. So I can see that you've got it in you to really, really play. And one thing that I always say to people about in the industry, like record labels and things like that, they're always looking for something they haven't had, not something as of such they've already had. So always never be afraid to put your own little twang in your songs and your own little take on them, because these videos are being recorded, and when they go up online and these companies come across and look at them, for you to stand out even more, don't be frightened to put in your little uniqueness and sing it completely different to the original, kind of like what you did with that middle section then. Don't be frightened of that, but let me tell you now, I am so glad you're in this process, because that was fantastic. And you're only from Emma Vale. Like, what? Where's that come from? And I love the A colour, by the way. That was absolutely fantastic. You should be so impressed with that. That was amazing. Well done.